Let's go for the E minor shape, but this time the E minor is going to be played with the third finger and the pinky, okay? It's the E minor shape with the third and fourth fingers of the fretting hand. So here we go, right? All the way down, all the way up, starting down, all the way up, then back down. Here we go. Yeah. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, up a fret, go now. 2, 3, 4. Exotic, yeah, sounds great. 2, 3, 4. There are different levels of dissonance along our path here. That's pretty, I like that. 10th fret, that's nice. 11th fret. 12th fret. 13. Then up to 14, which is our octave. Now back down, back down. Keep going down. 2, 3, 4. I'm switching to half notes. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 4th fret. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Beautiful, beautiful.